Hi everybody, Patrick here from EngineeringShock.com, ElectronicLessons.com, and PaintballProps.com. I'm currently putting together a Kickstarter campaign. It's linked below, and it employs two different fingerprint scanner boards. This is the dual fingerprint scanner board. I'm going to get to it in just a second. I just wanted to tell you a little bit about where the inspiration came from for this unit. At the end of Terminator 2, I think it's Miles Dyson and Sarah Connor, or I think it's those two. They have to turn two keys at the exact same time to open a door. So what I wanted to do was create something that you had to put two fingerprints on at the exact same time to activate a relay. In this case, the functionality is very simple. You can program up to 5 different individual fingerprints on each fingerprint scanner, and it's very easy to program. And when in scanning mode, you press the button, the LEDs will turn on as you place two fingerprints on at the same time. If they are recognized fingerprints, then the relay will turn on, which means that you can activate an electromagnet, a solenoid, a high 120 volt mains AC device. This is an isolated high-powered relay, and once you're done with it, you press the button, relay turns off, and you start over. And if you put two fingerprints on that are not recognized, then all 3 LEDs will turn on. If you don't put two fingerprints on at the same time, you'll get the same result. So, let me just talk quickly about it. Here is your relay output. You're normally open, you're common, you're normally closed. You have 2 power options. And the nice thing is you can have a battery backup. So this is your 5mm jack for 9 volts DC at 1 amp, and this is your battery backup. You can use either or you can use both. They are isolated via 2 diodes, so you can safely have a main and a battery backup. This is your 5-volt regulator, your button, your processor. And I will be adding some functionality on this output rail. I just haven't gotten there yet. I have a little bit more programming to do. And these are your 2 fingerprint scanners. Now, what I've done is I've mounted these 2 fingerprint scanners to just a simple PCB. You can mount them however you want. In the Kickstarter, I will be including the fingerprint scanners without this PCB, so you mount it as you see fit. Anyhow, let's go through a demonstration. Now, as an example, I've programmed in on this fingerprint scanner a few fingers from my left hand and a few fingers from my right hand. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to, these I know are programmed, my right pointer and my left pointer, for this one and for this one. So if I place them on properly when it's scanning, then the relay will activate. Now you'll have to listen for the relay click. The relay clicks on and clicks off. When you press clicks on, when you have the 2 fingerprints, and when you want the relay to turn off, you press the button. So I'll plug it in. And if I want, at this point, if I want to start a scan, press the button, and both fingerprint scanners, the LEDs turn on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 2 fingerprints on at the same time, and I'll listen for the relay click. Relay clicks on, fingerprint scanner LEDs turn off. So this relay is on. So if you don't know much about relays, when the relay is off, the common pin is connected to the normally closed pin, and it's a high-powered switch. So when the relay is turned on, the common pin disconnects from the normally closed pin and connects to the normally open pin. So it's an on-off switch. So to turn the relay off, press the button. Just listen for the click. It'll click off, and it's off. Now, if I wanted to do another scan, I press the button. Both fingerprint scanner LEDs turn on. Let's try 2 fingerprints that it's not going to recognize. And as you can see, all 3 LEDs turned on, indicating that the fingerprints were not recognized, and the LEDs on the fingerprint scanners turned off. Now I'll do that one more time. Get ready for scan. And not recognized. So it's a very simple functionality. I'll be adding some functionality. I've got a whole bunch of rails here, a whole bunch of I/O pins to come up with some new and different fun ideas. But as of right now, this is where I'm at. The Kickstarter I'm putting together is to raise funds for a whole new product line, including Bluetooth and fingerprint scanner functionality, different applications, and I hope you'll have a look at it. It's linked below. When I have this all done, with all of the software upgrades complete, I will make another video, and that video will be the video manual, which goes over every last little bit of functionality. This is just a demo video. So thanks for watching. I hope you check out the Kickstarter link below. Take care and thanks again.